Hi everyone, my name is Logan Lowery and I teach 7th grade accelerated math. I know this year has not been normal by any means, but I've so enjoyed teaching this group of kids and I'm looking forward to getting to know them even better. A little bit about me, I actually attended Creighton and AC Flora. I then went to Presbyterian College and since then I've been teaching math and science in Richland Middle Schools for the last 4 years. A few of the key concepts we're going to be covering in math this year include expressions and equations, functions, analysis of 2 and 3-dimensional space and figures. Also, kids have access to an online textbook. This textbook is called Big Ideas, and it is found through Clever, which students can access in the student menu of their district-issued device. Students have logged into this, but if they have any trouble accessing it, you can email me or have the student reach out to me and I can provide you with their username and password. Teams is our main platform this year, so you can find your important documents such as the course requirements and the bell schedule in the FAQ section. Class Notebook is going to be our main tool. Students have nightly assignments that link to their class notebook where they can find notes, activities, as well as how-to videos if they need assistance at home remembering the steps or how to do a specific kind of problem. Many students have said that the virtual notebooks are really hard to keep up with. So a lot of people have been keeping a physical notebook where they label the sections the same as their virtual notebook. So they'll have their notes and video virtually, but they'll do the practice problems and make some hand notes in their physical notebook. And they're able to use both as a resource, which is something I think has been very helpful. The biggest thing I'm getting is how can I help my student succeed and feel more confident? And there are some really easy things that can help build their confidence. Have your students review their multiplication facts as well as practicing with positive and negative numbers. There are so many free resources on the internet. And also if you reach out to me, I'd be happy to provide you with extra resources to support your child. Encourage them to complete their ALEX topics as well as attend RTI. RTI is in the afternoons from 2 to 3:45. Whether it's their designated day or not, they can reach out and they can get individual or small group help, which has been made a huge difference for kids, especially in math. Again, my name is Logan Lowery, and feel free to reach out to me if you need anything this year. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy.